our previous 2 lectures we learnt, first I taught you like means in any kind of essay how to do pre-writing, right? Second lecture I taught you how many paragraphs are there and how many words we need to write down in our IELTS writing task 2 essay. But today I'll teach you only introduction. Fine. I can teach you body also, but and conclusion also. But the thing is that this is your initial stage. You people may get confused also. So better today we'll go for only introduction, how to start essay. Any kind of essay. Introduction. Now let's go. Introduction. First of all, take care of your grammar. Be very careful about your grammar. I said you the same essay we are doing, right? I said you this is what simple present tense. Yeah, in majority of the essays, just to avoid the mistakes, you can use can modal auxiliary can. Alright, so now let's go. First sentence of your introduction. See guys, I am teaching you only 6 months essay because this is your initial stage. Then slowly we'll move ahead. Now for 6 months essays, actually what happens in our IELTS writing essays, normally we say to our students to start from general statement. But many students, they come to me that, ma'am, how to write on general statement? What do we mean by general statement? It's a kind of dialogue. Means the statement that revolves around the keywords. Here the keywords are planning for the future or time. The keywords are what? Future, time and present. So general statement can be like time plays vital role for the success of any person. Simple. Second sentence is statement paraphrase. Statement paraphrase. Again, many students, they do have that grammar knowledge also properly. They do have those ideas also properly. To those students, I would like to say that if you are not able to do the paraphrase of statement, then use synonyms. Use synonyms and write on the statement. Okay, for example, here, some people, you can say that many people, consider thinking about the future, feel about thinking means feel about the future. Future and thinking about the future and planning for the future. So I can start my essay introduction from here. Although, always, although and comma. Please take care of comma, full stop means punctuations. Although many people consider, instead of consider, instead of think, I can write on feel. Okay, that say they said thinking about the future and planning for the future. So I can write on that future planning. Future planning. Okay, planning for the future, future planning. They said that to be a waste of time is a waste of, is a waste of time, is a time waste. Is a time waste. Understand? Are you getting me?
Yes.
So in this manner I can paraphrase the statement also. It's a very different kind of manner. For those students who don't know the grammar, who cannot change the statement in their own words, who cannot summarize the statement in their own words, so they can use the synonyms like this. Karan?
Yes, ma'am.
I said this method specifically for you.
Yes, ma'am.
It's easy, beta?
Easy.
Sure?
Sure.
Alright. Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. So, and they argue that the people should live in the moment? Now, according to them. They argue according to them. According to them, people should simply live in the present. According to them, people should live in the moment. Instead of present, I have written moment. Any doubt?
No.
Sure, guys?
Yes.
So the statement is over. Means you can start your essay from although. Then write on the statement by using synonyms. The last sentence of the introduction will show the coherence and cohesion. Coherent and cohesion means connection between paragraphs. First of all, coherent and cohesion of paragraphs and coherent and cohesion of sentences also. Fine. Now, the last statement of the introduction is always. What? That will show what I am going to write on the body. Now, either you will be agree or disagree, fully or not partially. I am not teaching you right now partially. We will do that later. Now the last statement. Here, let me use the blue here. I disagree. Okay. I fully or totally, completely disagree. Fine. We have only one statement. That future planning is waste of time. So we should live in the moment. So it's only one statement. So I fully disagree with the statement okay, due to, owing to, you can say, owing to the reasons listed or mentioned or unlisted, okay, listed in the forthcoming or forth given or below mentioned, in the below mentioned paragraphs, okay, in conjunction with a coherent or a logical, you can say, logical inference. Any doubts, guys? Sure?
Yes.
Now see. So, guys, approximately 40 words, 35 to 40 words I have finished. So that's good.
Yes.
According to the target. So, you can start your essay from although, then write down the statement, and then last, any of the agree disagree essay, you can end with this sentence. Means, again, in the body paragraphs, what I'm going to say the reasons that why I'm disagree with the statement. Understand?
Yes.
Any doubt? Sure, guys?
Yeah.
Now, your work is what? That take 4 to 5 essays or 5 to 6 essays and then write on the introduction, agree, disagree. Give me for checking. Then we'll start body part in our next lecture. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Sure?
Sure.
Alright. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.
Welcome.
Bye.
Bye.